Hello everyone, it's me Ashish Misra, and today we are going to learn about web page, how web page gets created, what are the main terms related to it, and many more else like that. And here we go. So the agendas today are introduction to web page and related terms, introduction to HTML tags and its types, scripting web pages, and some basic tags. So let's go for it. As you can see here, I have some definitions like www or World Wide Web, websites, web server, web page, web browser, hyperlinks, etc. So what does World Wide Web mean? You must be using it and must be known about it too. It is simply a medium or a way of accessing information over the medium of the internet developed by Timothy Berners-Lee. You search in your Google www.google.com or youtube.com, from where you will be accessing this video. How do you think that you will be getting that? You access the information through www. It is the storage locator. That is all it means. Now next we have websites. It is a collection of web pages belonging to a particular person or organization. Yes, as I told, websites, and I had already told you that www.youtube.com. It is a website which contains the visible page that you always see and you are still looking it. All those are displayed by creation. They must be created. That is, those creations are done, or they are called web pages which are being created. Next you have web server. Web server is a host computer that can store thousands of web pages and interacts when requests overcome from browser. You see some organizations like Google and many more. Google also has its own server, and when you search anything in your computer or laptop, you will be getting the information. That is, the information is located in the server. The information, simply the website you search, it gets some collection of web pages comes out. That is all from the web browser, not web browser, sorry, web server. Next you have is web page. It's simply the document that is created. Simply you see the web page right now of YouTube, right? So that is all created. That is a document at first, which is created using several text editors and many more. That is all a web page means. Next you have is web browser. It is simply an application program that enables a user to display and interact with graphics and documents through website. You use Firefox, Google Chrome in your laptop, and especially Google in your mobile phones. What is that? That is a web browser. Yes, you get interacted with the graphics and other documents through websites and many more. Hyperlinks. You see that when you search in YouTube, you search the names, right? Like you search for Badshah and many else. Like you are searching for Edureka, so you come to it. Like take my example, you search for my own channel, that is his art, and you come to the pages. Several are there, but you choose mine. When you select for the mine, you get interacted with another web page. Yes, that is my web page where you will see my videos, playlist, community, and about me especially, and what about my channel views and many else like that. So that is what hyperlinks do. It takes you to the another page or the same location. You scroll down, you see some occurs. Now next we have HTML tags. As I said you here, when I pressed, it went to another part. That is what hyperlinks do. But actually I'm not using here a web page here right now. I have been created on the way. So next you come to HTML tag and tags. HTML. I told you about web page, right? So web page is created by several web designing languages are used. HTML is one of them. HTML is very popular. It is just because of its simple syntax and which is very easy to learn. It supports controls and navigates to read long documents easily. Lengthy documents. The books you have right now in your home, they are quite lengthy. But they are created. But the HTML tags and more else, attributes and more else, make them easier, sorted, and you get viewed it in the web page. Next, it is supported by different text editors like Notepad, WordPad, etc. That is all the editors you have. That depends upon it. Doesn't matter others, and it can be executed in different web browsers. Like you search in Google, again you search in Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge. All will be showing you the same result. That is all it means. Right, so next you see is it supports different hyperlinks and image formats. I already told about it, hyperlinks. Now what does tags means? Tags are the HTML command that indicates the layout or display if a whole or a part of a web page. Simply you type the visible part of your web page is created on the body tag. You get the background color. Yes, background color is given by background attribute that is different, but body tag is used here. The body tag defines the whole part that will be visible, right? Now attributes are the special word or set of words contained in the tag that specify additional information like color, font, etc. Like in the body tag you use the attribute called background, right? So in the background you will be applying any color. Actually background is for pictures, but BG color is for is for applying background color. So the color will be changed to that, right? That is all an attribute do. Now next, scripting web pages. Is it good? And you will be known about it very soon in my next video, like how to script it and many else like that. Running codes, CTRL plus U or CTRL plus I is used to view the codes. Like you open any web page, so if you press CTRL plus I or right click there and go to inspect or view source code, you will see the document main part. Next is basic tag like HTML head, you see, title, head. This is the basic tag and I will be teaching you about it in my next tutorial. Right now you see this is the part which declares that it is an HTML document. This gives heading, this gives title like YouTube, all else like that. This is here it contains the visible part, and here is the closing tags. Next tutorial you will be learning about the types of tags and some basic tags. I have just shown you here the view, but others will be done in the next tutorial that you will be seen very soon.